This might be a disaster. Hello friends, in today's video, I'm doing something different. I have never ever in my life tasted bubble tea. Everybody either says they love it or they hate it. So I went on Amazon, I bought the supplies, the ingredients to make bubble tea. I got a whole pack of cups with stickers that came with stickers. All right, so the stickers that come with the pack, just to warn you all, I don't know if you can go ahead and see it. My 13-year-old son pointed it out. I don't think this translated appropriately when they were creating the stickers, because everything else about this kit is kid friendly and I would recommend, but the stickers just took it a little too far. So just so you guys know. And here's the cups. So it came with 4. And what else? What else? Straws, right? For bubble tea you need the big giant straws. So I got those. And then of course you can't do without the mix. Now let me tell you, they had a ton of mixes to choose from. And I had no clue what I was doing. So I thought, hey, let's make a rainbow themed bubble tea. So I did the Sakura Latte Blended Creme. This has enjoy the refreshing taste of Japanese cherry blossoms. I loved it that it was a pink color, okay? I went for the pink color. I had no idea of Japanese cherry blossoms, what that would taste like. I know what they smell like, and I love the way they smell, but is that gonna be a good flavor to taste? I don't know. So I got that mix, and then I bought, this big tub of Popping Pearls rainbow colors. This thing is jiggly. Do you hear that? It's jiggly. Can you see it? They are moving all around. What is happening here? I'm not sure. I'm also gonna test this out with my family and see if they enjoy it as well. All right, let's get to making this bubble. My first ever bubble tea. Here we go. Okay. I just boiled some water because it said to boil some water. So I did that. I washed the tea cup. And it says, okay, on the back it gives you like 3 or 4 different options for this, but I'm gonna do the ice drink. So add 1 scoop of mix and then 6 fluid ounces of hot water. Stir until dissolved. Okay. All right, this is open. That's good. Watch me making this horribly wrong. Wait, that's a strong smell. That's a strong smell. That is not what cherry blossoms smell like, but it smells like fruity, I guess it has a little hint of like a cherry almond flavor. Okay, it said 1 scoop, but there's no scoop in here. All right, so I'm just gonna use like my big spoon here, and we're gonna put 1 scoop in here. You think that's enough? I don't know, is that enough? Okay, and then it said to do what? Oh wait, 1 scoop. Serving size is 1/4 of a cup. So that's probably not 1 scoop, right? Should we add another one? Okay, adding another one. Does that look like 1/4 of a cup? Yeah, sure, okay. Then it said to add 6 ounces of hot water. Okay, I'm guessing. But that's not a lot. And stir it up. Oh no, 7.5 fluid ounces. Okay, we're just gonna fill this guy up because, yeah. Okay. We've stirred it up, then it says add ice. Okay, I've got some ice here. I'm gonna slowly add this ice. All right, it's got ice in it. So when do I add the bubbles? When do I add these fun things? I'm gonna open this up. 15 hours later, when that little SpongeBob little timer that all the famous YouTubers put up. Okay, I got it open. Oh my goodness. Okay, I want to taste one of these and see what they taste like, okay? I got them right in front of me. You can see all the different colors. So I'm just going to grab one. Okay, well, this is a little twofer. It's weird. It's like a creamy fruit flavor. Like the Del Monte fruit cups, you know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna try a white one. See if they taste any different. Like, they all taste the same. And the texture reminds me of the fruit in a fruit cup. It's kind of fun that they pop in your mouth. Okay, we're gonna stick some in here. How much? How much is supposed to go in bubble tea? I don't know. How many? How many am I supposed to put in here? Just like a whole bunch? I don't know. I want it to look rainbow, like a rainbow. Right now it just looks pink. Like, how many do they put in? You guys who know what... You're probably laughing at me right now. This is probably the most ridiculous thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna put my lid on. It's still kind of warm. Is this supposed to be a warm drink or a cold drink? I have no idea. I really want to try these. Okay, here's my giant straw. Okay. Oh, you know what we need on here though? We need a cute sticker because the box came with stickers. What about this little, should we go with corgi? I'm gonna go with the corgi. I like the little corgi. Look at him right here. We're gonna go with the corgi. We'll put him on here. Okay, that's super cute. Okay, let's try it. Is this gonna be good? Am I supposed to slurp the little things up in my mouth? That's delicious. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay. First off, the taste is fantastic. Highly recommend this flavor. Sakura Latte. Highly recommend this flavor. Whoa! I feel like I've got like a sugar rush all of a sudden. Ooh, look. Look what it's doing on the inside. Look at that. Whoa. What is that? It turns all white and okay. What is it? Finley, do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Let me see you drink yours.
I got something.
Did you get any?
It's a weird taste. I don't think I've gotten the...
First, the flavor is great. Second, the experience of popping those little pearls in your mouth is actually fun. I'm actually enjoying that. And it's just so cute. What did you think of this? Is this a good DIY bubble tea or did I completely fail? Let me know down below. Also, I wanted to shout out to my Yellow Heart Squad. If you want to be a part of my Yellow Heart Squad, because of the yellow heart in the back, leave me a yellow heart in the emojis down below, and that means that you are a loyal subscriber and you have turned on all notifications for my video, and I really think only loyal subscribers will be watching this. Why is it so good? What is in this? What are these little popping pearls made of? It's weird. You swallow the tea first and then you pop the pearls.